Welcome to Easy Tracker. This is the login page. You could create an account or you could forget password and you can click on the email, enter your email and the new password and update it. If you have an account, you just log in, and when you log in, you have the dashboard page which gives you today's profits, today's sales and month to date sales. You have two quick action buttons, for example, new sale, which you can add, choose a product that you want to sell, for example, the eggs. You can say you sold 5 eggs today. You could add notes, 2 tons, whatever you would like. The payment method that you received your money with, you could add the sale. The sale has been recorded, which will be at the bottom, and you could even search it, but we'll show you that later on. First, the other action button, which is the expense button. You could add any expense that you would like, for example, £50 in utilities, and you could write electric, add expense that has been added. You can see electrics. Then we have Easy AI, which allows you to ask questions or anything about the business. For example, you could say, what do you think of adding some perfumes to my stock? And it'll tell you about it, if it's good or not. Or you could ask, summarize today's business health, and it'll tell you the sales, the expenses, the profit, and is very usable, to be honest with you. Then we have the performance view. You could choose between options: today, 7 days, this month, or you could make your own custom one. For example, we go to April, 1st April till 24th of April. It'll tell you the sales that you have been recorded. For example, here is £15,289 and 90p, and the expenses were £6,955, leaving you with a profit of £8,334 and 90p. Then we have a chart for the past 7 days, and it tells you the amount of money you've earned, averagely, high, and if you're going low on lower than normal. Then we have low stock watch. So for example, let's go to the sales and we choose, let's see, we choose, what do we want to choose? We choose cracks, and the crack item we have 20, and let's say we sell all 20 of them, and when we have sold them, you go back and in the home page it'll tell you, this is on low stock. You could restock it for how much ever you want. For example, I had 200 back, I bought them. You can confirm restock here, and it'll keep telling you that there's this item that has unhealthy stock that you need to restock on the main page. Then you have the recent activity. This includes the sales and expenses that you have got, and you can choose see all of them or just see less, and it'll only show you 3 options. Then we have the products page where you can add products. For example, let's just say you want to add IT scanner. Then it costs you £20. You're selling it for 100. You have 15 pieces, and your low stock is 5. So then it'll give you the alert. So let's just say 2 actually. You add the product that's been added, and you could even search the product, for example, IT, and then it'll come over here. You can edit it as well. So the cost price can be £25, and you can update the product, and it'll say it's costing you 25. Then we have settings. In the settings, it includes your email and all sort of stuff like workspace summary and privacy and safety. If you click on the mask financial amount, it will not let anybody see the amount or yourself that you have made, or your expenses or anything like that. And for example, you could block Easy AI if you don't want it to use your personal information or anything like that. So that means when you try to message it like, hi, how are you, you can't message that, and that blocks it for doing anything. Then we have the security status and things that you can log out, and you can reset your workspace, but it will come with an alert. Obviously we don't want to do that.